When an air conditioner stops working after a power outage, it is often due to the inbuilt black and brownout protection, a damaged capacitor, or a faulty compressor. To resolve these issues, resetting the AC is necessary. Some air conditioners have surge protection that prevents the condenser from power cycling, which can cause damage to the unit. To fix this, start by turning off the AC from the thermostat. Then locate the unit's breakers in the electrical panel and flip them off. Next, switch the breaker switches back on and wait 30 minutes before powering on the AC at the thermostat. After 10 minutes, check if the AC is blowing cold air. If it is not, inspect the capacitors, which are usually located near the condenser unit. A damaged capacitor can be identified by its bulgy appearance. To discharge the capacitor, use a screwdriver with an insulated handle to short the terminals. Then replace the damaged capacitor and restore power to the unit. If the capacitors are undamaged, the problem may lie with the compressor, which pumps the refrigerant to keep the home cool. In this worst-case scenario, it is best to call a technician. It is essential to consult the manual when repairing the AC to ensure the job is done correctly. By following these steps, it is possible to fix an air conditioner that is not working after a power outage.